Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today's video is going to be about my nizzle, Golden Nugget Online Gaming, ticker symbol GNOG. Going to talk a little bit about where we're going moving forward, some things to look out for. Just to reiterate before we do, I'm not a financial advisor. Make sure you do your own research before investing. You're in charge of your own money. Also, make sure that you like the video, guys. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. That way we can get you more updates just like this one. So let's dive right on into it. Alright guys, so we're looking at Golden Nugget Online Gaming, ticker symbol GNOG, on the 180-day, 4-hour time frame. And we talked in my previous videos that 17 would be the magic number of getting above 17. And as you see, we obviously did. We got looks as high as 18.10 at one point today. And we're flirting with about 18 right now. So we did cross over that SMA line, which is a really good sign. One thing to keep in mind now, though, we are in overvalued territory, so you can expect a pullback, at least temporarily, on this particular stock before continuing some move to the upside. So your key support is going to be 1668, and our resistance level is going to be 1886. If we bust through 1886, next one up would be 2108. So I'm hoping this week we can maybe test $20 or $21. But as long as we stay above this red SMA line, guys, even on the pullback, that's a very good sign of price strength moving forward. Okay, guys, and something that just came out and was brought to my attention, this article was released that Golden Nugget Online Gaming will participate at the Bank of America Securities Sports Betting and Online Gaming Field Trip Virtual Conference. It says that Thomas Winter, president, will present on behalf of the company. That's going to be March 16th, tomorrow at 9 a.m. Eastern time. So I'm not exactly sure what they're going to talk about or what they're presenting, but it'll be interesting to see. Maybe we can catch that and see the live stream or something of exactly what they're going to present. Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. Make sure that you like the video, subscribe to the channel, guys, if you want more content just like this one. We break down the charts on all of our top plays, and we even do weekly stock picks and go over entry levels and exit spots as well on the channel. So hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and we'll catch you in tomorrow's video.